Hello everyone, welcome to ReplaceMagic video session. We are use ReplaceMagic tool for bulk string replacement. Like if you wish to migrate your file servers with SharePoint Online, in that process you need to migrate your all Word, Excel, PDF, all kind of file format into the SharePoint Online. While doing the migration, you are facing some challenges like broken link because Excel sheet having the multiple links like hyperlink. So between that migration, our link will be broken off. So we need to repair that link for best user experience, and we are migrating from file server to SharePoint Online. So that file server path also need to replace with the SharePoint path. So ReplaceMagic help us to bulk search and replacement for hyperlinks, links, document title, document properties, everything. So let's see. I started the ReplaceMagic app. I already downloaded from ReplaceMagic website. You just simply Google it, ReplaceMagic tool, and just download the trial. Trial available for 30 days. As you can see, we are using the trial version. So this is our ReplaceMagic tool. Now we required the file for testing. So first we going to prepare one Excel file for testing. I create this video with full of details because otherwise there is a lot of confusion came up. So example, we're having this kind of link like now example we're having this kind of file server path. I created one test file. I'm going to save this using replace magic test file in this path. We've taken these 7 links, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are the web addresses, and rest is the file server paths. These all are examples, and I saved that file by name of replace magic test. So now our file is saved. So if you have Excel files, then you don't need to create any file. We will create this file for test only. So first step is we need to scan this file. So one important thing, while you are scanning using ReplaceMagic tool, then you first need to close this scan document file. Otherwise, it's skipped. So scan document. Oh, we need to put the address here. So I'm going to browse the path first. Here you can browse the path. Then we'll go to the C drive, then users, then downloads, and I'm going to search our file name ReplaceMagic test XLS, as you can see. Okay, so this is our path. Now I return the scan document. It take and second most important thing is that ReplaceMagic not taking directly file path, it's taking the particular folder for scanning the particular files. So we need to put our file into the separated folder like a file in downloads, so it can hold downloads, so we don't want all the downloads will scan. So we're going to copy, create new folder under the download, replace magic underscore test, and I'm pasted here. So here again we need to go to the file path, again C drive, users, user account, then downloads replace magic folder, and okay, so here you can see the replace magic test folder. Then I click on scan. So now you can see several hyperlinks, file name is same, folder path is same. So we are good here. At this stage replace magic worked till this stage, so we just need to validate again. So I'm going to open a document, download, then replace magic test file. So here you can see and compare. It shows the 7 link, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so now for more validation you just need to click hyperlink. You can see link title and hyperlink, it's perfectly matched. So we are moving to the next step. You simply click to search and replacement button, search and replacement, click OK. Now here is two process. One is manual, and that's required a lot of efforts, and other is import the list. So replace magic have their templates, so if you wish that template, then we are just create that template. I am going to click on it to replace the hyperlinks and text to display both. So I ticked both of them and add this string plus sign. You can see that I already added this search length is here, and then start replacement. Okay, so we are preparing the template for our 7 links. So I just export this list, C users, and download. Okay, file saved. Now I'm going to open the downloads. I'm not able to locate, so I'm going to export again. Download, replace magic test folder. Okay, easy to locate. So now we are going to the, yeah, here you can see it's also came up here. Replace key pair search replace. This is the file which we exported. If you open this file, txt file, after open the notepad file, you can see that string come into this format. So let me close my rest file, it's creating a lot of confusion. So we need to prepare this string list. So our first value is www.facebook.com, and we wish to replace with test.com. Our second is Microsoft, so we wish to replace this with .defender.com. It's all for the example and test, so you can use your files directly. You just need to save that file into the txt format, then it's completely into this format, and you just need to simply import using ReplaceMagic. But we are doing testing, so I prefer to prepare it manually because it's easy to understand the concept. How is it working? Now we need to replace this with. Don't put any space, otherwise it's not working. It's skip that file. Here we our last file sort of path. If you have any confusion and need to understand in more detail, you can directly reach out to me on my mail ID. Simply just writing your concern. My mail ID is atishbarate@gmail.com, or you can ping me over the LinkedIn. So simply I'm going to save it. Save, save. Okay. So we are search for this, and we wish to replace with this. So after the pipe sign, that value need to be replaced with before the pipe sign. Okay. So again, we are going to replace magic, empty list, then import list, then locate the file, see users, user profile, and grab that file. So file name is key repair search and replacement. Okay. Close this file. See users, downloads. Now we are going to start replacement. Start replacement. Here you can see after the search and replacement completed, this kind of dashboard presented by ReplaceMagic. Hyperlink test to display replacement save 7 completed. You can check the old value. This is the new value. So simply you can locate the file path as well here. So now we just need to validate the actual old value need to be replaced with this new value. So I'm going to open the file. Yeah, you can see the changes successfully made. This is called hyperlink test to display. And if you wish to see the hyperlink behind this link, just simply click this link, edit hyperlink, and you can see these are the old value hyperlinked. So it's completed successfully. So if anyone having any question regarding the ReplaceMagic tool, search and replacement, in next video we see how to recover the broken up link and how to migrate file server into the SharePoint Online. So thank you for watching. Please comment, do share for more exciting technical videos. Thank you.